Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the single entry mode for receipt, payment and the contra voucher. Up till now we have already discussed how to make the receipt entry, payment voucher entry as well as the contra voucher entry. Now we are going to discuss how to change the mode for these three voucher types, that is for single entry mode as well as the double entry mode. So as and when you will select the voucher option from your gateway of Tally, you will find that the accounting voucher creation window will open. Here there are the list of the voucher. You can select the voucher in which you want to make the entry. Suppose I want to make the entry in my receipt voucher, then I will select from here the receipt button. Here you will find that the change mode. So even if you select Control plus H from your keyboard, then also this change mode is open, or you can also select from this right hand side the change mode option. So here the double entry mode and the single entry mode, two options are appearing. We have already discussed the double entry mode transaction when we have discussed the receipt entry, payment entry or the contra entry. Right now we are discussing the single entry mode. So I am selecting the single entry mode. So as and when you select the single entry mode, the display will be changed. Now suppose I will make the entry for my transaction. Suppose this is the transaction that rupees 50,000 introduced in business in cash as a capital. So what will be the entry? Cash account debit to capital account. So here I will write down the date, and here the account in which money is coming up I will write down. So here by default account will be cash or bank. So I am write down here the cash, and here I will write down the capital 50,000. So here you will find that the difference between single entry and double entry mode, that in this double entry mode you will find to or buy, or you will find debit or credit option. However, in the single entry mode, the cash or bank account is appearing on the front, and later on in the particular types you have to select the second account. So in this way you can make the receipt entry via single entry mode. Now we will discuss how to make the single entry mode entry for the payment transaction. So we are discussing again one of the payment transaction, rupees 10,000 taken in cash by proprietor. So what will be the entry? Capital or drawing account debit to cash account. So here I am write down date. Here I have to select the account from which money is going out. So cash. Here I have to select cash or bank account by default, and here I have to write down the capital. So what will be the money taken out? Rupees 10,000. So I hope you will understand that it is the method of display is only changed in Teleprime 4.0 in single entry mode versus double entry mode. Accounting concept will remain always same. Now we will discuss the contra entry in the single entry mode. So we are discussing the transaction for the contra. Rupees 50,000 cash deposited in AU bank. So what will be the entry? AU account debit to cash account. So here you must remember that the account in which money is coming up will be on the front side. The account in which money is coming up will be front side. So money is coming up where? Cash is deposited in AU bank. So money is coming in AU bank. So AU bank will be the on the front side. So the account in which money is coming up will be on the top side in the contra entry in the single entry mode. And here you will write down the cash, and here I will write down the amount and press enter. My entry will be saved. So in this way in Teleprime 4.0 you will make the entry for receipt, payment or contra transaction via single entry mode. I am repeating again that how to change the mode for single entry or double entry. On the right hand side you will find here the change mode option. You can select this change mode, or you can simply press Ctrl plus H you will find the list of the modes, that is the double entry as well as the single entry. If you will select double entry, you will find this debit credit type of transaction, and if you will select the single entry mode, you will find this type of display. So I hope you will understand this. Thank you very much.